So you can create your formula, or as I said before, you can assign a macro, show last element, edit this one, and when I click on this, same macro, which is this element. This is me. Here we don't to the activities. I need to go to the design mode. Here, view code. Okay, and I'm going to take deactivated, design mode deactivated, and I click on this. This is me. Okay, this is me in another way. So now we have an overview of all these functions, and I'm going to show you examples of use of VBA in the creation of our dashboards. So we're going to take some of our dashboards, we are going to expand them using Visual Basic for applications to add elements or to add functionalities that otherwise with Excel only are not possible. And you will understand there what I'm talking about. Of course, this is not a VBA course. If you want to know more, then you should subscribe to one of my VBA courses or one of the VBA courses at Udemy and improve your knowledge about VBA.